Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your energy check-in for you and the person who's affecting your energy now. So Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides bless this reading for my Aqua gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's get on with it. Let's see what's happening in your connection now. So the first card I have here for you, Aquarius, is the King of Cups and the Devil. 8 of Wands, Ace of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, and the Justice in reverse. Okay. Let's see for person B. For me, this is person A, Aquarius. Now I'm opening for person B. You will know which side you resonate best with, right? Wheel of Fortune, the Empress, the King of Wands, the Temperance, the Star, and the Four of Swords. Okay, let's see the most likely action this person would like to take and one from the other side. Bottom of my spread, I have the King of Pentacles in reverse. So dealing with somebody who's really ungrounded, maybe not that mature, I would say, not taking control, or maybe just too materialistic, maybe too involved in their money, finances, and not very much like grounded energy, I would say, in a connection. So let's take some. So from what I'm getting from here, first impression that I'm getting is that somebody here is feeling a bit loved up, but there is some fear or anger or something attached to the love that they have. And on the other side, I see an Empress with the Wheel of Fortune, somebody who's now looking forward to their abundance, to their growth, and wanting now, I think, to move on. Let's see. Let's see what's happening in this connection. Let's take a few dialogue message cards and then we'll start clarifying. Aquarius and their person spirit. Okay. Let's take a couple from here. These cards are so slippery. Just give me a second before I drop them all. Okay, let's take a few more from here. Aquarius and their person spirit. Okay. And let's take one card from here to see what the underlying issue is in this connection. Aquarius and their person spirit, what's the problem here? Okay, Aquarius, we're ready, good to go. Let's start with the first card here, which says, the endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in return. It's hard to move on when I keep comparing you to everyone new that I meet. This lifetime didn't work out. Hopefully, I can do better next lifetime. I keep looking up at the stars, hoping you're looking at them at the same time that I do. So there's separation. Somebody is leaving or has left and is feeling this connection is not working out. They keep saying that you're coming back, but you're not here yet. Are you coming back? I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me because somebody is not showing it. Are you sorry for hurting me? So these are some of the messages for you which you could want to say to your partner or vice versa. But let's see what's going on here with person A. King of Cups and the Devil. Why are they feeling this energy, Spirit? King of Cups and the Devil. King of Cups and the Devil. King of Cups and the Devil. Yeah, they are, I think, feeling they have to keep their emotions in check right now because devil again, oh my God, somebody feels that their happily ever after has been dropped. Somebody is no longer, they feel their partner most probably doesn't want to work on this connection anymore, and there is a lot of negative, toxic energy being felt by person A. What is this devil spirit? What is this energy they're feeling? They feel this relationship is coming to an end and it's becoming very, very burdening for them to bear. Yes, this person does want to come out of this anxiety and anxiousness now, but this is still sitting in some kind of toxic energy here. What happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel this way? Eight of Wands with the Ace of Swords. Some truth came out, it seems. Somebody communicated something about some gossip or some news or something came out about the soulmate connection, which brought about a truth. And now this person is feeling very rejected, dejected. Maybe there's some gossip around this as well. This person is not emotionally happy now with whatever has been revealed, whatever communication they have got about this connection, which they still have sweet memories of. They feel rejected somewhere. How do they see their partner, Spirit? They see their partner wanting to be single, happy on their own, and not wanting to balance out this relationship with them again. Yes, this is like they feel their partner is now creating a tower moment between them where they don't want to be with them, it seems. They want to be single and abundant and not want to work on this connection anymore. They feel that their partner is not wanting to work on this connection and is bringing it to a halt. So what's this Justice in reverse? Justice in reverse. Yes, they feel their partner's made a choice. They've made a choice, and I'm not passionate about this connection anymore. I don't want to work on this anymore. I've made my choice. So that's how they see their partner. Let's see how their partner's feeling. How does person B feel, Spirit, about this connection right now? Wheel of Fortune and the Empress. Wheel of Fortune and the Empress. This person, I think, had a lot of love for person A at one point. They wanted things to go smoothly. But right now, they are emotionally quite overwhelmed. They are keeping themselves to themselves, keeping their secrets, staying very guarded. Now they've put a lid on that cup of love, and I don't think they're offering it. They, I think, are... They're not moving. The Chariot is in reverse for them as well. They don't want to have any forward movement anymore. In fact, what they want is a fresh new beginning somewhere else, maybe. Let's see. What happened in the past, Spirit, with the King of Wands and the Temperance card? What happened in the past? Some secrets were really revealed. Some truths came out about this person who... They feel that I expected my person to be the King of Wands upright, but turned out to be the King of Wands in reverse. Now, the King of Wands in reverse is sometimes not always there, and in fact, they are a bit selfish. They are out for their own needs. They are not the best person to have in a relationship, right? This person is not very grounded. They put their needs above others, as simply as I can say it. And once this was out on the open, what's this Temperance card, Spirit, in the past? What's this Temperance card? Yes, I think person B took some time out to heal from this connection. Even though they felt a lot of love, they knew that this was a special connection. I think after whatever has been reveal to them about this partner of theirs, for person B, they have taken some time out to heal themselves from this connection. What else, Spirit? The Ace, Two of Cups is usually a very loving connection. So what happened here? Yeah, they are healing. They are healing. I think they have a lot of regrets now of how things haven't worked out in their life, and maybe wanting now to start something new with the Ace of Pentacles. How do they see their partner? How do they see their partner now, Spirit? Person B, how do they see their partner? They feel this wasn't a very balanced relationship. There is still a lot of love here, though. There's still a lot of contemplation going on about whether to release this connection. There's a lot of thinking going on, whether to release and not fight for this connection, but there is a lot of love here as well. So they see their partner as well in the same kind of a mode where they are also healing. And Four of Swords, why do they see their partner as the Four of Swords, Spirit, now? Yeah, they feel their partner still wants to return or is waiting for them to return, but they also see their partner as feeling a bit embarrassed and ashamed to actually approach them. And whenever they do, they don't do it in a very nice way. Maybe they come up with a fight or something. They feel that they hide their emotions. They don't speak their truth. They come in very cold and very sound very calculated, whereas they feel that actually I know that person A really does love me, and they want me to return. They want to return back to me. So there is a lot of confusion here, but yeah, they haven't yet received that loving apology or an offer to leave trouble behind, and so that you guys can move on. Let's see what's the action person A would like to take. See, Knight of Pentacles in reverse. They're stagnant. They're not moving at all. Why is the Knight of Pentacles here for the action person A would like to take? They feel their partner is angry and upset with them. That's why they're not. That's why they're believing. Yes, they feel their partner is angry, upset, and doesn't want to now take action towards their this commitment with them. And they are not taking action either, because they feel they don't want to. So now they are not taking action. What is the action that person B would like to take towards person A now? Four of Wands in reverse. They're making a choice. The person B is finally making a choice that I don't want to always be the loser. Because they feel their partner always wants to have the upper hand. They are very ungrounded. I have the King of Pentacles twice here. So they feel this is not an ideal partner to have in my life, who will always kind of make me feel lesser than I am, or always want to have the upper hand in the connection. So I think it's high time I make a decision here and not move towards this connection. So yes, as much as there is love here, the endless depth of love seems like a blessing, and sometimes it seems like a curse. So as much as they are focused on person A, they feel they're not getting anything back in return. And that's the reason. Let me take one angel blessing card to see how my angels will bless this reading, or any advice or message. Blessing, advice. Yes, it's time to bring some sweetness back into this connection, Aquarius. If you wanted to work, you or your cross watcher, or you and your cross watcher, I don't know. I think both of you are sitting in anger, regret, sorrow, and both have a lot of love for each other. You both feel the connection, but I think communication is a problem here. Whenever you guys do talk to each other, it could be rude, it could be harsh, and it's not making your person feel good, and they're ready to walk away from this connection. So yes, that is what I have for you, Aquarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.